Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unarchive all your posts on Facebook using your PC. This new update makes it really easy to restore all your archived content back to your profile. If you've archived multiple posts and want to bring them all back, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. 1. First, open Facebook on your PC. 2. Next, click on your profile photo at the top right corner of the page to go to your profile. 3. Once you're on your profile, click the 3 dots next to your cover photo. This will open up a menu. 4. From the menu, choose Archive. This will take you to the Archive section, where all your archived posts are stored. 5. To restore everything, look for the option labeled All. Check the box next to All to select all your archived posts at once. 6. Now click on the Restore button. A confirmation window will pop up, asking if you're sure. Confirm the action, and all your archived posts will be restored to your profile. That's it. You've now successfully unarchived all your posts on Facebook. It's a quick and easy way to get your content back. If you have any questions or need more help with Facebook features, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.